Hey guys, welcome back to Altu's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep on your Android. So let's dive in. This is my Google Keep. Let me search for it. Okay guys, I think let's see. Let me look for it. Okay, this is it. Keep Notes. So click on your Keep Notes, and if you do not have your Google Keep on your phone, you can go to your Play Store and go and get your Google Keep and download it. And guys, if you don't know how to navigate around your Play Store, you can search our YouTube channel videos. Out there, I've dropped some videos on how to navigate and do everything on your Play Store. So guys, let's go in now. This is my Google Notes. If you look at this now, this is it. If you want to do anything, you want to create any note for a later save, click on this plus menu button. Notes you had appear here. Click on anything you want to type. You can type, you can do anything, you can pin message, you can download. You can see this is it. Click on this money. This is for pin, and if you look at this plus menu button here, this is it. That is for scheduling your post. If you want to use it for later, for tomorrow, anything, you can see it's very good. You can change your text of your message, you can do anything. You can be in italics, you can be on the line. Exactly. It's really good, and you can download anything. You can see, click on this download here now, and this is it. Not achieve and unpinned. Oh guys, so this is it. Click on undo, and this is it. So you can use your, this is it. This one is for, let's say, for writing back here. Okay, you want to draw. Wow, let's use this. I'm click on this color. I'm going to use it to draw. Okay guys, do you see? Wow, this is good. You can see. So easy. Google Keep is for you to write notes, for you to draw, and so many things. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and comment.